Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about rice water for hair growth. Rice water for hair growth. This is something that's been going on. This is something that's been a tendency about how to grow your hair, and I have to do some research myself about the rice water before to put it out there, before to talk about it. As you guys know, I'm a hairdresser, me myself. So I went to do some research, and it's to tell you guys the truth. I love it. I love it. I love it, and I love it. I can recommend it 100% time. Um, the difference with the rice water, when I started the rice water, I had my hair already, which was like a week ago, and I didn't have no edges whatsoever. My edges, I was bald. Like, I'm still bald, but there's difference now. I was like completely bald. Yes, I was saying I was bald. I didn't have no edges. Like, you can literally feel it, like it was a skin kind of things. But now you guys can see. Can you guys see? Like, I have some hair follicle coming in. Yeah, so all I just did, I did like everyone. I rinse the water first, then I put it like in a jar. I put the water in it and I let it close to get it fermented for 48 hours. And I didn't wash my hair with it yet. All I just did was to spray, sometime to spray. Even though the smell is strong, I stay at home. I work at home. I don't go nowhere. So it's pretty cool with me. The smell is pretty cool with me. But for other people, for the smell, you probably need to use orange skin. For other people who doesn't like the smell of it, you can also use some oil, any kind of oil that you want, lavender oil, chamomile oil, I don't know, any kind of oil that can help you to take the smell away. Me, I don't have no problem with the smell. Or orange skin, like you put some orange skin and then you put it in a jar and then you close to let it stay for 48 hours. Now I'm gonna show you how I did my rice water, and I hope you guys enjoy the process. Thank you. This is a bowl with some rice in there. Sometimes people talk about use a 2 spoons of rice and then 1 cup of water. Honestly, I don't have time to really do. I just did it as it goes. And this is some rice that I have here. So I'm gonna wash the rice first, because some people don't wash the rice before they use it, and I wonder like why. Because you don't know how where did the rice come from. You want to take all them dust out of the rice, because who wants some dust in their hair? I don't know what to say, but me, before to cook a rice, before to do anything with a rice, I like to wash my rice first. So I'm gonna wash my rice and I'll be right back. So this is all you need. You need some rice, the rice that I just washed, some water, and a jar. So we're gonna start making our rice water. So I just, as I said, I do not measure nothing. I just do as it go. So put some rice in a jar. And then we add some water. And then we're done. here is our rice water. I'm gonna explain to you how to use it. It's simple. When you wash your hair, after washing your hair with a shampoo, just use this rice water as a conditioner, meaning that you rinse your hair with this rice water. Is optional. Either you do that, either you wash your hair completely, meaning you use the shampoo and the conditioner, then you rinse your hair with this rice water, but don't rinse the rice water out of your hair. And also, for people who have braids in their hair and then they want to have some fast results, I think, I believe so that it's better to put some of this rice water in a bottle spray that you spray in your hair 2 times a week. Just 2 times a week, because some people are allergic to some stuff, some people are not. Me, so far, I'm good with it and I'm seeing some fast results. And some people are allergic to it, so just do it like 2 days in a week, and then if you see that nothing has happened, meaning that you don't get no allergy, everything is cool, everything is fine, so you can go on. I think max is 4 days in a week, because the rice water also has its own pH, which is pretty strong, so you don't want nothing, you don't want to have any surprise. So as I say, this rice water is good for you. Your hair get thick, get some volume, no hand split, everywhere is full, your hair grow fast. Yeah, I can tell you that. Like, just I can show you guys my hair, and then you guys will judge yourself. This is just, I don't know if you can see, this is just a weak hair stuff, and you see, I can tell you, I love it. That's why I love it, and I hope you guys will do too. And don't forget to share my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And please let me know how this work with you, because not everything's supposed to work with everyone, but hopefully that it does for you guys, or for some of you. So please leave me some comment. Thank you so much.